Hello and welcome to my video. This is a quick test to see if I can get a voltage from a small DC motor for toys, used as a dynamo, that is proportional to the turbine RPM. The voltage display doesn't have a power supply, so it turns on when the voltage exceeds approximately 2.3 volts at about 8,000 RPM. The maximum RPM was approximately 12,000, which produced 3.33 volts. The RPM is quite low at the moment, but I'm going to try making smaller nozzle sizes and see if I can't get a higher RPM. The nozzle size at the moment is 1.5 mm diameter. The power required to turn this DC motor is negligible. It is only to be used as a proxy for RPM to turn on power to the alternator that I am building for the turbine. The plan is to set a variable voltage from a 12-volt battery as a reference and use a voltage comparator to trigger a relay to send power to the alternator field coils once the turbine is rotating fast enough to handle the additional load, as Tesla turbines don't have much starting torque.
Okay, you say when it goes off, yeah?
The turbine is using 16 by 1.5 inches diameter carbon fiber reinforced PLA 3D printed discs, 1 mm thick with 0.5 mm brass washers as spacers. I am ultimately going to replace these with stainless steel discs, but I would like to see how high the RPM can go before the 3D discs come apart first. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, you should smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.